Ilang fitness enthusiasts ang sumali sa isang matinding event kung saan na-testing ang kanilang muscle at mental strength. Narito ang report ni Anton Rojas tungkol sa Manila Throwdown.
Dating Zumba instructor ang 42-year-old na si Lynette Summer. At sa araw na ito, sasabak siya sa ibang uri ng fitness competition sa isang sport na walang pinipiling edad at uri ng pangangatawan, ang CrossFit.
I start up from sa mababang weight and then up to the time na I can lift it now. And I'm really so proud I joined this community as CrossFitters.
Maging si Coach Merwin Torres at orthopedic surgeon na si Coach Chad Reyes, naniniwalang isang malaking tulong ang sport na ito sa overall physical at mental health ng isang tao.
Actually, I'm an orthopedic surgeon by profession. Exercise naman talaga is one part of our treatment namin of patients. No?
CrossFit is the sports of fitness. Even though we don't get the podium or the medal, we still get our fitness.
At upang malaman ng mga CrossFitters na ito ang limits ng kanilang endurance, muscle and leg strength, sumali sila sa Manila Throwdown event na dinaluhan ng baguhan at batikang mga atleta mula sa iba't ibang dako ng bansa.
For this year, we gathered all the individuals who participated in our preliminary event. So from there, everyone was ranked according to their fitness, and then we bring everyone together here at the Manila Throwdown Finals.
Sa Throwdown, sumalang ang mga atleta sa serya ng matitinding workout routines, tulad ng weightlifting, rope climbing, handstand push-ups at iba pa. May designated judges rin na nagbibigay ng scores sa bawat performances. At syempre, ang may pinakamataas na score ang panalo. Mabilis ang paglaki ng CrossFit community sa Pilipinas dahil hindi lang tuwing training na susukat ang kakayahan ng isang atleta, kundi maging sa pag-execute ng mga natututunan sa workout sa mga competition tulad ng Throwdown Manila, a true test of fitness. Anton Rojas, ABS-CBN News.
Hi guys, keep watching The Score for the latest sports updates and don't forget to subscribe to the ABS-CBN Sports in Action YouTube channel.